The Spyderco Gauntlet Sharpener is a safe, convenient solution for virtually all knife sharpening needs. It is extremely convenient to use, yet versatile enough to quickly and efficiently sharpen all blade profiles and edge styles, including serrated edges. Unlike many other sharpeners, the Gauntlet sets up in seconds and does not require any electricity, oil, water, or complicated clamps or fixtures. This instructional video will teach you how to use the Gauntlet to sharpen practically any knife in your home to a high-performance razor edge. The Gauntlet Premium comes with a high-impact plastic base and 2 sets of abrasive stones, coarse cubic boron nitride or CBN-coated stones, and fine high alumina ceramic stones. The stones are shaped like a cat's eye, so the edges provide a narrow radius for sharpening serrations, and the sides provide a broader radius for sharpening plain-edged blades. When the stones are inserted into the holes in the Gauntlet base, they automatically set the proper sharpening angle for most knives, 20 degrees per side or a 40-degree included angle. The holes in the Gauntlet base allow the stones to be rotated to expose fresh abrasive surfaces as you sharpen. To sharpen a plain edge blade, place the Gauntlet sharpener on a sturdy surface at waist level or lower, and place the ceramic stones in the base so their broad convex surfaces face inward. Place your non-dominant hand into the plastic handguard and grip your knife firmly with the plane of the blade vertical. Starting with the heel of the edge closest to the handle, draw the edge from heel to tip all the way down the stone. Repeat the process on the other stone, using medium pressure and making sure to keep the plane of the blade vertical. Keep alternating from one side to the other as if slicing down each stone. Keeping the plane of the blade vertical automatically maintains the perfect sharpening angle on both sides of the blade. As you sharpen your knife, you'll notice that a dark line begins to appear on each stone. This is steel being removed from the blade and is perfectly normal. If the surface of the stone begins to get clogged with steel and the abrasive is no longer cutting aggressively, simply rotate the stones in the base to expose a fresh area of abrasive. Then continue the process, keeping the blade vertical and drawing each side heel to tip all the way down the stone. To sharpen serrated edges, insert the ceramic stones in the Gauntlet base so the edges of the stones face inward. The small radius of the edges is specifically designed to fit into the scallops between the teeth of serrated blades. Using the same basic technique as we did with plain edge knives, draw the blade from heel to tip, alternating from one stone to the other. Make sure you go slowly, however, so the edge of the stone has time to flow between every tooth to sharpen the entire length of the cutting edge. In general, the fine ceramic stones included with the Gauntlet Select will sharpen and maintain most knives. They are easily cleaned with ordinary kitchen cleanser, hot water, and a scrubbing pad. Maintained properly, they will last a lifetime. For very dull knives, the CBN stones included with the Gauntlet Premium should be used to remove steel more quickly. These stones are also available separately. CBN stones should only be used to sharpen plain-edge knives. The sharpening process is the same as the ceramic stones, but only light pressure should be used. Again, if the steel removed from the blade builds up on the stones, simply rotate them in the base to expose a fresh, abrasive surface. You should only use the broad, convex surfaces of the CBN stones for sharpening. Do not use the edges of the stones, as the CBN abrasive can be easily worn off these narrow surfaces. When you're finished sharpening, the Gauntlet stones can be stored in its base. Insert the fine stones through the slots in the base and place the CBN stones on top. It is now ready and waiting for its next sharpening session. Thank you for your interest in the Spyderco Gauntlet Sharpener. For more information, please visit Spyderco.com or your favorite Spyderco dealer.